Hey everybody, so one of the sponsors for the Sturgis trip is Rogue Rider Industries, and they hooked us up with some swag, lights and things to hand out. So I've got my buddy Charles here, and he got a set of the Sigz from Rogue Rider Industries. So we're gonna go over it on his dyna here, on his wide glide, and show you guys what they look like and get his thoughts.
How we doing, everyone? I just want to go over the product that I received from Touring Midwest, RRI. Basically, they're signal lights, bullet signal lights. Received them like this. I just want to first show you the difference in comparison between a stock signal light and what I received from RRI. You can see this is a stock signal light, and this here is what I received from Touring Midwest RRI. Obviously, a huge amount of difference. The product from RRI is absolutely outstanding. You can see signal light from stock versus signal light LED. Outstanding, completely outstanding. So with that said, I'll just kind of show you how they are installed. Very simple product to work with. All you really do is pop off your signal light cover, remove the stock bulb. They actually come in a nice sealed package, and all you do is take it, push it into your housing, give it a turn, and kind of wrap the wiring up there, pop your signal light cover back on, and it's really that simple. I mean, it's just an outstanding product, simple, and makes just a huge amount of difference. This is with, you know, a little bit of overhead light, but I mean, I've seen them in the dark, and it's just their outstanding product. I just want to thank Touring Midwest and also RRI for allowing me to kind of give you an insight on their product. Thank you.
So there you have it. That's the lights from Rogue Rider Industries. These are the Sigz, the front Sigz. So check them out if you want to. Again, thanks to them for being one of our sponsors for the trip, and that'll do it. We'll talk to you later.